A report has said that WhatsApp is bringing yet another feature to its users that will allow you to view your contacts' status updates within the chat list. According to WhatsApp tracker WA Beta Info, the Meta-owned instant messaging platform has made the feature available for WhatsApp beta users on Android, meaning that the feature is still in testing and will be launched soon. WhatsApp's status feature is similar to Stories on Instagram, where users can post photos and videos that disappear automatically within 24 hours. Once the feature rolls out, users will be able to view people's status by just clicking their profile icon in the chat list. This is similar to Instagram, where the profile icon is outlined if the user has an ongoing story, status in case of WhatsApp. Currently, users can only see a user's status by going to the specific status section of the app. WhatsApp recently brought several other helpful features that include 3 new privacy features that include the ability to hide online status, exit groups silently, and block people from taking screenshots of view once messages. Apart from this, WhatsApp has also recently increased the time limit to delete messages for everyone to up to 2 days and 12 hours.